अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक बाय रहमान। व्यूवर्स, आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि आप हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन फेसबुक, आप फेसबुक से कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। इससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि हमारे चैनल की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुँच जाए। Nearly half the world population is on social media, and Facebook alone has over 2 billion monthly active users as of June 2017. This creates a very large online market pool that many people have been and are still making money from with no investment. If you are one of those wondering how to earn money from Facebook without investment, then you are on the right track because this article is for you. It is easy and achievable. If you follow our steps and recommendation in this article, then you just might join the pool of those that earn money rather than only log on for social reasons. What you have to do before you can make money on Facebook. Making money on Facebook is not a straightforward process, neither is it magic that you can conjure overnight, although you do not have to investment a single penny. You need to invest your time, diligence, and be logged in trying to earn money. You can also learn how you can make millions through Facebook ads. Here as their foundation to lay first. Grow your number of friends. Facebook has a limit of 5,000 friends, and we recommended that your exhaust this amount. Be committed to doing this because sending and responding to 5,000 friends request will not be easy. Create a Facebook page and get a lot of likes. Creating a page is very simple and you can do it under 10 minutes. However, getting people to like and follow it is more difficult. Therefore, your page must have good content and be engaging. People follow buzzing by without being asked to. Create a group and grow your member database. The next step is for you to create a group and add as many friends as you can. The best thing about Facebook groups is that members can run them. You do not always have to be the one posting updates. Also, we recommend you maintain the quality of the group by keeping spam posts out. Read this how to make money online in Nigeria as a student. Ensure that you set post for approval before being displayed on the group with good content always attract more followers. The three steps above are necessary to make money on Facebook. It create a niche for you with lots of achieve followers and audience that follow you. This is key to earning money. 8 ways to can make money on Facebook. Drive your Facebook page traffic to your blog at a cost. Start affiliate marketing. Create a simple Facebook app. Start Facebook marketing through influencing and marketing. Get people to pay for sponsored like and shares. Publish videos on Facebook. Sell your personal product on Facebook. Sell your Facebook page. Influencer marketing on Facebook. Drive your Facebook page traffic to your blog at a cost. If you have a Facebook page or group with lots of followers, you can easily create traffic for blogs at a cost. You can do this by placing a link to the blog and urging your followers to visit the page. Once they do, traffic increases on the blog and you get paid. Start affiliate marketing. When you have many followers on your Facebook page, you can place one or two affiliate marketing links per day on the group. Affiliate marketing works in a way that you get a percentage of the product price. When anybody buys the product through your link, a certain percentage goes to your account. Some affiliate marketing could see you earn as much as 50% on sales. Example of businesses should register for are eBay Commission, Junction, Amazon, Associate, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. तो व्यूवर्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन फेसबुक। आप फेसबुक से कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हैं। उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो की प्रॉपर समझ लग गई है और वीडियो पसंद आई है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि हमारे चैनल टेक बाय रहमान की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुँच जाए। हमें दें इजाज़त, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।